Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Rainbocorns Itzy Glitzy Surprise is probably one of the most exciting and dazzling collectible toys to hit the market, offering a unique unboxing experience filled with sparkle and fun for kids who love surprises and adorable characters. Each Rainbocorn comes with a host of glittering accessories and a cute Boo-Boocorn, making every reveal a moment of pure joy and discovery, perfect for imaginative play and collecting. Number 5. 5 Surprise Mini Brands Series 2 by Zuru. Get ready to discover over 130 miniatures from your favorite brands. You might even find some familiar names like Lunchables, Kool-Aid, and Heinz Ketchup. Experience the excitement of unwrapping, peeling, and revealing 5 different surprises inside each capsule. It's a new adventure every time. Keep an eye out for special editions. Can you find the rare metallic or glow-in-the-dark miniatures? There are even super rare gold ones to discover. Collect 6 different miniature shopping accessories to go with your finds. Create your own tiny store with baskets, carts, shelves, and more. Each package contains 2 5 Surprise Mini Brands capsules. Get ready for a double dose of collecting fun. What we like? If you love collecting tiny versions of your favorite brands, this is for you. It offers a huge variety of miniatures to find, including rare glow-in-the-dark and metallic versions. You can also collect accessories to create your own miniature shopping world. What people say. The items feel like tiny versions of real-life products. It's both nostalgic and entertaining. The size is perfect for displaying on a shelf or for small hands to play with, and the quality of the minis is surprisingly sturdy for their size. These will expand your child's imagination and spark their creativity. This is a great way to unplug your kids from the electronics, and get them plugged into using their imagination, and learning to be more creative. Number 4. Rainbocorn Sparkle Heart Surprise Series 2, Monkey. Get ready for a dazzling surprise with the all-new Rainbocorn Sparkle Heart Series 2. These adorable plush friends are waiting to be discovered. There are 6 new, super soft characters to collect in this series. Can you find all 6 new friends hiding inside? Unbox a new surprise with the Boo-Boocorns. There are 34 to find, each with a unique stamp. You can even use them as a fun pencil topper. Each egg holds 6 exciting surprises, including the amazing Rainbocorn glitter poop that stretches incredibly far. Which color will you get? Inside the package, you'll find everything for endless fun: eggs, a Rainbocorn, a Boo-Boocorn, a stamp, glitter poop, a collector's guide, and an adoption certificate. These lovable plush toys are hatching from Rainbowville, bringing sparkle and fun. They combine the excitement of unboxing with the joy of cuddly plushies. Prepare to have your heart stolen by these Sparkle Heart Series 2 characters. Which dazzling friend will you discover first? What we like? For those who adore cute, cuddly plush toys with a surprise element, this is a great choice. You can collect 6 new sparkly characters, each with a peel-to-reveal heart. Plus, discover new Boo-Boocorns with stamp surprises and stretchy glitter poop. What people say. It came with the stuffy, cloud slime, stamper, and top of stamper can be a pencil topper or played W as a figurine. It came with cloud slime and another little Rainbocorn egg at the bottom. The kids like it specifically with the small 2 surprises inside. Number 3. Rainbocorn's Epic Golden Egg by Zuru. Get ready for an amazing unboxing experience. Hatch open the brand new Epic Golden Egg to discover over 25 layers of glittering surprises. You'll find a giant sequin heart, collectible Boo-Boocorns, and so much more. Inside the giant golden egg, you'll reveal one of 3 brand new Rainbocorns. Collect them all, including Goldie the Snail Corn, Cecilia the Seal Corn, and Dearie Queen the Reindeer Corn. Each one comes with a special sequin surprise heart. Looking for the perfect Christmas gift? This toy is packed with surprises. Unbox ultra golden hair accessories, glamorous glitter, and dazzling jewelry. It's an epic surprise unboxing experience. Your new bestie comes with tons of golden treasures. Discover glittering bows, a glitzy hairband, glamorous glitter, and even shimmery Boo-Boocorns that can be used as pencil toppers. Open up the big golden egg to find a giant plush with a sequin heart, golden bows, a hairband, glitter, and more. You'll also get rings, gems, hair clips, and collectible Boo-Boocorns. Discover the most amazing glittering golden surprises. Hatch open the giant egg to reveal a brand new friend. Unbox over 25 layers of golden surprises including all new Boo-Boocorns and hair accessories. What we like. If you're looking for an ultimate unboxing experience filled with luxury and sparkle, this is the one. It features over 25 layers of golden surprises, including exclusive Rainbocorns and glamorous hair accessories. It's perfect as a premium gift, especially for the holidays. What people say. Fun to open all the little surprises. Soft, but the belly is the sequined heart and that is a little scratchy. The headband is cute and fits kids' head great. The color is very pretty and it comes with multiple different things inside. This egg was bigger than I thought. The egg was as big as my niece. Number 2. Ultimate Slime Kit for Girls. Get ready for hours of fun with this ultimate slime making kit. It's packed with everything you need to create amazing slime creations. With over 50 different supplies, including vibrant colors, glitter, and unique beads, the possibilities are truly endless. You can mix and match to create your own signature slime. Make your slime creations come alive with our glow-in-the-dark feature. It's perfect for adding an extra element of excitement to your slime play. We prioritize safety. This kit is made with eco-friendly, non-toxic materials and is ASTM certified, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for everyone. Looking for the ideal gift? This slime kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a fantastic way to encourage creativity and motor skill development. This kit isn't just about making slime, it's about fostering creativity, developing fine motor skills, and providing a fun, stress-relieving activity for kids and teens alike. What we like. This is the ultimate kit for creative kids who love hands-on activities. It provides everything needed to make a vast array of slimes with over 50 supplies, including 18 colors and 12 types of glitter. If you want a fun, stress-relieving craft that glows in the dark, this is your go-to. What people say. The Rainbocorns Itzy Glitzy Surprise is a fun and engaging toy that offers a unique unboxing experience. Each Rainbocorn comes with a variety of accessories, including stickers, charms, and a glittery slime, providing hours of creative play. The surprise element of not knowing which character you'll get adds to the excitement and makes it a great gift for birthdays or holidays. Number 1. United Pacific Designs Zuru Rainbocorns 4PK Itzy Glitzy Surprise Series 2. Unleash a world of excitement with bold colors and graphics that pop. This toy is designed to capture attention and spark imagination. Discover beloved characters that your child will adore. It brings the magic of their favorite stories right into playtime. Looking for a special present? This makes an excellent gift that is sure to bring smiles and endless fun. Made from high-quality materials, this toy is built to last. You can trust in its superior craftsmanship for safe and enjoyable play. Enjoy long-lasting fun with its durable construction. It's designed to withstand enthusiastic play for hours on end. What we like. If you're looking to get a good value and multiple surprises, this 4-pack is an excellent option. It includes 4 Itzy Glitzy Surprise Series 2 collectibles, offering a fun way to expand your collection. It's ideal for parties or for kids who love discovering multiple small surprises at once. What people say. Good quality, quick delivery. The bows and wings change color in warm water. My daughter vibes These's little surprise Rainbocorns. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.